They are not policemen.
They are not policemen, sir, because
But
they
why
are
are you
experts.
authorizing them to wear police uniform?
Just to... Okay, sir.
Ah,
Section 10. Officer may summon assistants. Why are they using the uniform? At that time, I gave them the authorization because that is to ease their entry para matapos na lang, sir. Kasi ma-aresto naman kami, sir.
Ang ginagawa nila, hindi ito applicable yung kanilang proviso. Kasi mga civilian ito, dinadamitan nila, minor pa, tapos hindi para pag-aresto, ang dami na nila. Do they need 5,000 personnel plus civilians just to arrest one person?
My opinion is that
your opinion. Go ahead.
he can ask for assistance in the act of actually doing the actual arrest and not in the search of or effecting the search of the arrest or the search of the person to be arrested.
Attorney, ang abogado pa.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just with respect to the fact that Section 11 is very clear when they are making an arrest. Unfortunately, there is no arrest yet here. And then one, they use a child, they use insignia. Sir, I just want to point out, sir, that the allowing persons who are not police to use police insignia is a violation of Article 179 of the Revised Penal Code. Plus, a second thing, sir, is the fact that they use a child, a minor, to use that. That is, again, child abuse. I just want to point out that to the court.
Yeah, thank you.
Eto naman po, kung meron pong tanim bala, meron na namang tanim tao, no? Eto, minor ito, no? Kasi we really raised this concern kasi ang takot namin doon sa ginagawa nilang panel, baka bigla magsasabi sa, oy, may nakita kaming minor person po dito. So, nakita namin yan, may video yan, minor, dinamitan ng pulis. At kumpirmado namin na sila ang nagpadala kasi nung bumalik siya, sumakay siya doon sa coaster ng PNP. Merong video po niyan. Oo.
Who are these people?
I don't know, Your Honor.
No, I was asking General Torre.
Yes, Your Honor. Kanina ko pa gustong to disabuse the mind of Attorney Torion. Para accurate, sir, basahin ko na lang, sir, ang relevant law. Mabagal lang aking abogado. So that we'll read it from the court. From the revised rules of court, Section 10. Rules of criminal procedure, sir. Para ma-disabuse, sir. Actually, sir, alam ni Attorney Torion to, sir, that there's nothing illegal in using the civilians because we will confirm those are civilians that we
So you
will
confirm they are civilians?
Yes, sir. And we did that.
They are not policemen.
They are not policemen, sir, because
But
they
why
are
are you
experts.
authorizing them to wear police uniform?
Just to... Okay, sir.
Ah,
Sir,
sige,
ladies and
sige.
gentlemen,
Listen. Sige, go ahead.
Section 10, Rules of Court, Rule 113. Ang Section 11 ito, yung palaging alam na natin na palaging inuulit-ulit natin nito yun. Right of the officer to break into building or enclosure. Back one up, Section 10. Officer may summon assistance. An officer making a lawful arrest may orally summon as many persons as he deems necessary to assist him in effecting the arrest. Every person so summoned by an officer shall assist him in effecting the arrest when he can render such assistance without detriment to himself. Allowed by court, allowed by rule, sir. Why are they using the uniform? At that time, I gave them the authorization. That's an exemption in Rule 179, in Section 179 of the Revised Penal Code, because that is to ease their entry para matapos na lang, sir. Kasi mga-aresto naman kami, sir. Mga-aresto, rather than arrest these people from KOGC, preventing the entry of people that will legally summon to assist us in effecting this arrest of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Pinag-uniforme na lang namin, sir, para sila ay makapasok ng hindi na pinipigilan.
So you summon the services of these civilians
Yes, sir.
to effect the arrest of Pastor Kibuloy?
Yes,
or
sir.
to dig a tunnel below the
To dig the
building?
tunnel, because it is the way for us to break into the tunnel that we suspect Apollo Kibuloy is hiding, sir. That's also in relation to Section 11, which gives the peace officer the right to break into any building or enclosure to effect the arrest, sir.
But don't you think that you have abused this particular provision of the rules of court na
Overstretching.
kasi, tingnan mo, length of time, 13 days. Where in the world have you effect as warrant of arrest for 13 days staying in a particular place?
Sir, I will cover that in our presentation. After
Sir,
the
okay.
narrative.
Sir,
Thank you.
if I may, sir.
Babalikan kita dyan mamaya pag-present mo. I will ask the same question
Yes, sir.
and I will further ask further question.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir.
well, just a little repartee to since he is citing a law. I hope the good general would be enlightened that he can invoke that provision when he is making a lawful arrest. In this case, 13 days have already elapsed. There is no lawful arrest yet. When an officer, sir, kanang yung provision na gisite niya, aresto, meron yung akusado, siya lang isa. Pare, tulungan mo ako kasi i-arresto natin siya, maski civilian pwede. Kung ang ginagawa nila, hindi ito applicable yung kanilang proviso. Kasi mga civilian ito, dinadamitan nila, minor pa, tapos hindi para pag-aresto, ang dami na nila. Do they need 5,000 personnel plus civilians just to arrest one person? That's a misreading of the law, overstretching of the law, and that is, I don't know, that requires further seminar in a law school, probably, Your Honor.
Ako, I am not a lawyer. Pero I can hardly believe that you are going to summon the services of this civilian not to arrest Pastor Kibuloy, but to look for Pastor Kibuloy. As you said na ginagamit ninyo yan sa pagtatanil doon, sa paghuhukay, therefore, you are not effecting an arrest. You are looking, you are searching for Pastor Kibuloy. Pag nahirapan kang mag-aresto ng tao, you can summon the services of other people. Tulungan niyo ako dito. Ayaw, police officer. Ulihin ko itong tao. Malaki ito masyado. Tulungan niyo ako. Makasummon ka ng services ng ibang tao. Pag-aresto. But not to look for Pastor Kibuloy as stated in that rules of court.
Mr. Chair.
General Torre, you respond. Pareho tayong police. Pareho tayong hindi abogado.
Sir, that will be covered in the presentation, sir. We assure you
Okay.
that it will be covered.
Sige, later.
Chair, may I
Right.
just point out something? That even though it has gone through ridiculous lengths, you look at the face of General Torre, and what you will see is the face of someone who doesn't care. His interpretation right now is the only thing that matters. Siya ang batas. And that was how we have experienced him all these days. Yung capriccio, yung whims, yung very tyrannical, ako ang batas. Kahit nakaharap mo na yung mga senador, nagbe-behave ka lang dyan, no? Because, but in reality,
Please address your
Mr. Chair.
statement to the chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Huwag mong direkta sa kanya.
yes, Mr. Chair,
Yes.
sorry.
Yes.
So ganun lang yan, Mr. That's all I want to say, really, that it's very, even though it has gone through ridiculous lengths, no? For him, if what he believes and what we've experienced, no, is that his interpretation is the one that matters, and it will be the one that will get followed. Wala nang rule of law. Lahat iikutin through ridiculous lengths.
Your observation is very valid and I am taking note of that. Thank you. Kami, isang abogado pa.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Just with respect to the fact that Section 11 is very clear when they are making an arrest. Unfortunately, there is no arrest yet here. And then they use a child, they use insignia. Sir, I just want to point out, sir, that the allowing persons who are not police to use police insignia is a violation of Article 179 of the Revised Penal Code. Plus, a second thing, sir, is the fact that they use a child, a minor, to use that. That is again child abuse. I just want to point out that to the
Yeah, thank you. General Torre, bakit gumamit ng minor? Kung digging ang purpose nyo doon, mag-hukay, bakit babae ba yun? Parang babae yung lalaki ba yun? Minor, bakit kayo gumamit ng minor?
Your Honor, I do believe at this point in time na wala namang nag-establish sa minor. Those are all allegations. And I can categorically say na walang minor dun, sir. Baka mukhang bata lang.